Hello all, welcome to my channel where we learn various aspects of Indian folk and traditional art. In this video, we continue with our 5 styles of Madhubani painting. We will be learning about Godna art today. Godna style is inspired by tattoo art practiced by the women folks of Natin tribe. What started as a Deha Chitra or body art turned into a meditative art form on paper. The design is characterized by parallel lines, concentric rectangles, squares or circles containing floral, geometric or animal motifs. In this demonstration, I am using concentric circles. One can use square or rectangle also. The double line is a typical feature of Madhubani painting. I am adding simple scallop designs with double lines all around the outer side of the circle. This is a popular design feature of the Godna art. The scallop design may be placed on both sides of the lines. Here I am drawing only on one side. Now I am drawing a checker design in the middle. Generally, gods or any other human figures is not seen in this type of art. Even colors are not applied. It is a monochromatic design. This art form is ridden with symbolism. Every motif has a meaning ingrained in the ritualistic beliefs of the local people. On the next segment, I am drawing Lotus motif. The lotus has an important place in almost all forms of Indian art, as it is believed that gods and goddesses reside in them, and they represent spiritual enlightenment and purity. I am adding wavy lines in between the lotus to represent water. In Madhubani art, no space is left empty. Every inch is filled with some design or motif. The next segment, I am drawing fishes, which is among the most popular motifs of Madhubani art, as it represents fertility and growth. It can be drawn in numerous ways. Single or double fishes are seen. Here I am drawing a large single fish. The gaps between the fishes are filled with stems and leaves. Next, I am drawing parrots. Parrots represent adjustability and friendliness. In spite of being a bird, it has the capacity to adjust with humans and also speak their language. I am repeating this motif all over. The parrot is also very popular motif in many other Indian art forms like Tanjore and Kalamkari. Next in line are the elephants, which represent grandeur and abundance. Notice how simplified the designs are. All the flora and fauna are reduced to basic shapes, nearly in abstract form. Here I am making the elephants out of simple geometric shapes of half circles and triangles. In the last circle, I am drawing dolls. These dolls are seen holding hands with each other in a gesture of friendliness and cooperation. Finally, I am decorating the corners with a pair of peacocks, which are also very popular motifs in almost all forms of Indian art. This motif primarily acts as a filler in the corners. Hope you have found this video interesting and informative. If you found this video inspiring enough to create a drawing, please share the pic in the comment section below. Do like and share the video and subscribe to my channel to get notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you for watching.